Hi, Queen and Company friends. It's Marianne here today. I am going to do a unboxing or an unbagging of the new garden party kit. I think it's important for you to see how many dies come in this kit. You get 36 steel dies. You can make a terracotta pot, a birdhouse, and this is a little tiny bird. Get a boot and a watering can and so many florals and vegetables to boot. So 36 dies are included in this kit. You get a 6x6 paper pad. It's got 3 styles of paper for each, and there's 24 papers. This one's beautiful. It's like a cornflower color, so you get 3 of that, and then you move on to the next. Really rich in color, and I feel like the back sides of these, such as this one, is really good for a base paper, and then the detailed paper here. A lot of great colors, and of course, I'm all about a rainbow. Love that. You also will get a 4x6 clear stamp. Oh, that's not going to work for us. Clear stamp set. Let's go like this. These are fantastic. Look at these. Gardeners dish the best dirt. Happy birthday, happy Mother's Day. So many ways that you can use this stamp set with this kit. Welcome spring. I was thinking it would be great for Mother's Day or the perfect gardener. Happy spring, welcome spring. They're just beautiful. Anyway, 4x6 clear stamps. So you do have to have the plastic mounts or the acrylic mounts. That's perfect. You also get 3 sheets. If you look here, you get 3 sheets of each foam piece. So there's 3 here and one of the base on each foam sheet so you'll get 3 of the birdhouse, 3 of the boot, so on and so on. Hope that makes sense. Ooh, those are strong. They have a new smell to them. You also get the equivalent acetates. So if you get 3 birdhouses, you get 3 acetates for your shaker birdhouse. Now you can purchase additional refills on the foam and acetate. That'll make your kit go even further. So if you decide that you might want to make more than 3 of the same shaker card, you'll want to purchase those foams before they sell out. Queen and Company has a tendency to sell out of things quite quickly. So I wanted to show you the insides, the toppings that come with this kit. I don't think there is a cuter kit out there that's ever been produced than these tiny vegetables. Look at these eggplants. Do any of you eat eggplant? Well, I don't know, but these are, oh, I wrote on my hand, sorry. These are fantastic. And I think these are beets, maybe, inside of beets. And then you've got little shrooms, little baby mushrooms. And then you have tomatoes. I believe these are tomatoes. They could be radishes. How adorable are these? And then, of course, you get just some neutral bling that isn't a vegetable, but just a regular square shape, mixed with a few circle toppings and a few sprinkle toppings. This will be perfect for dirt. Oh, I can see this getting right in there into the bottom of the dirt on the eggplants. I just love it. Love it. So you get all of these toppings included in your kit. The acetate that coordinates with the foam. You get the 4x6 stamp pad. Sorry, lost my train of thought. And the 6x6 paper pad with 24 sheets and 36 metal dies. And I mentioned that in addition to the foam tape, you can get acetate refills, foam and acetate refills. You can also purchase the Garden Party Solids paper pad. It is, again, 24 papers, 12 styles. This is where I was thinking that you got 4 sheets of each, because this one is 4 sheets of every color. I love this cornflower blue. Oh, look at my t-shirt. That's so funny. These are gorgeous. Oh, that green is fantastic. I love this. You can also purchase the outline dies for the garden party kit. This will make your life so much easier. If you have foam or you have chipboard or you just want to use foam tape, cutting out new acetate pieces with this will stretch your card kit so far and make your life so much easier. I'm not kidding when I say these make things so much easier. I like to build my shakers off of a card. So I would love to cut this base and then start building my shaker on top of it instead of having to build my shaker right on the card. I like them to be individual and then place them on, and this helps. There's so many reasons to purchase this. You can, like I said, stretch your card kit so much further when you have the outline dies. So all of these are available. Again, the kit comes with everything except for the 6x6 pad, solid paper pad, and the outline dies. You can also purchase additional toppings. So look for that as well. If you think you've got a lot of ideas for this kit, you'll want that as well. Have a great day.